So, hello everyone, it's Moisey with another violin cover. This cover is going to be a really quick one. Well, I'm trying to do it quick because the camera's gonna die. So, this cover is on Qhib Koj Lub Qhov by J, something like that. J, yeah. This song's really old. It goes back to I don't know, back when I was in middle school. But anyways, I'm just gonna play until after the rap because it gets harder. Well, not harder, it's just the same thing over and over again. But anyways, I hope you enjoy. Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop there. It gets more fun after, but I'm just stopping because I don't want to make the covers really long. But anyways, this song's really amazing. I mean, it's touching. It's from back all the way from, I don't know, it's a really old song. But I hope you enjoy this cover. More covers will come. I don't know, violin recorder, my voice. I don't know, I don't sing. But we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, or like, share, and comment songs. I hope you guys actually watch this to the end. So I actually talk. So I actually have like life updates. But right now I'm okay in school, but everything else out of school is like blah. But then school is good. Yeah. So bye. My violin says bye.